Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to go ahead and call this a deep dive into Numpy's random uniform. So we have the random module and a uniform function, and then tied in with Numpy, it has a couple more characteristics. So thanks for joining us. If you're new here, this is what we do. We do one subject at a time. So that's why it is so important for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So Numpy as MP. So let's just go ahead and bring this in. And if you have not seen before, we do micro videos. And we just build upon. And we've started something new where we've always done requested videos, but now these are not going to throw off any of our sequence. These are just going to be additional videos for the day. So I'm going to show the comment right here. There we are. Numpy dot random dot uniform. So what helps if you alias it correctly and then use it. So okay. What I got from the question was that I did put it automatically puts it into here. We did X Numpy random uniform, and then we did 0, 1 and 20, I believe. So here we are. It's an array, but I glossed over. I'll put the question back up. It said turn it into a matrix. So I'm taking that as referring to making it two-dimensional. I completely glossed over this size, and all right. Normally we see size and we think the length or the number of contents if you have not seen the len. But this is actually also can be the shape. So let's go ahead and do this. We'll do X equals Numpy random uniform. So then 0 to the upper end of 1, and then size, and we give it a tuple. So 4 by 4. Close that out. Call X again. Boom. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if you look real close, there's my 4I in X print I. There we are. Okay, and guess what? You can do 3D. Numpy random uniform 0, 1, and then size tuple 2 by 2 by 5. Close that out, and there we go. There's my 2 by 2. So super great question. Want to say thank you very much for the comment, because again, this is really starting to turn into a forum, and I absolutely love it because I want this to be one stop. I want it to be a resource, and I want this to be the best resource there is out there. Been doing it a little over 2.5 years. I don't foresee this slowing down any, and I mean now we're upping it to at least more than one video a day, including comments or requests. So thank you guys for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.